Okay, for an update, nothing has really changed. The cyclone is still heading for the west coast here, as well as Wellington and other areas, but its intensity is as much as it has been over the last few days. It is going to be a southeaster coming in on the Grey District here, and that is because when the cyclone comes down from the northern hemisphere down to the south, the cyclone is actually doing a clockwise motion. So that's bringing the weather in from an easterly direction across the Southern Alps, where they intensify and come down exactly the same way as Cyclone Gita in 2014. It will be very similar. They are predicting from 11 AM tomorrow morning through to 1 AM the next morning, which is Wednesday morning, gusts of up to 150 kilometres an hour, and that will be quite severe. Remember back in Cyclone Gita, that brought down huge amounts of trees, roofs of houses. So I'm telling the public, be very, very careful. Make sure you only go outdoors if it's really necessary. The storm surge, we don't know how high it will be, but it will peak at 3 PM tomorrow. And also the rainfall will start about 11 or 12 o'clock tomorrow, and it will be strong. It will come up to about 150 millimetres to 200 millimetres of rain. So that will be in tandem with the winds. So we have to be very careful indeed. The CBD in Greymouth, we are still keeping that open. We're worried about the likes of Reventon's hotel roof and other areas that are still being repaired from the storm a few weeks ago. So we are going to have another meeting of Civil Defence at 9 AM in the morning, and we will take the Civil Defence professionals' advice on where to go next. We have at this point delayed having any emergencies because the Ministry of Education have directed all schools in the Bulla and the Grey District to close for the next 2 days. That is Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, the Kiwi Rail excursion from Christchurch to Greymouth is cancelled tomorrow. They will review that tomorrow night. So there is a lot of heavy rain coming. There is large winds coming, and they will be severe. So we have to be very, very careful out there. Don't go outdoors unless you really have to, and make sure that you are kept safe, and keep an eye on your neighbours as well. That's extremely important. So good luck, and as usual, us coasters will get through this. We're very resilient. That's just one more storm we have to put up with. Thank you.